Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another edition of HRD 631, The Adult Learner. We are entering on Monday, week number 11. And I don't know what it's doing where you are in Maine, but for me, it is pouring rain, and any snow that we got last night is going as I look out of the window. So I hope you're having a good day. And if you had outdoor plans, maybe you still will do them. But if not, it's a great day to do schoolwork. So let's get right to week number 11. And I will be brief, and this video will be brief this week. First of all, as you can see, we're in week number 11. And what is involved this week is there's no official work beyond you working on your exploration projects. And that was, I've received surveys over the years, and the students have asked me, it would have been nice to have some time to work on the projects without looking at new materials and having new materials that we have to learn. So that is what I'm doing this semester. This week is up to you. It really is for the development of your materials that you will be using in your exploration project. So the materials should be stipulated in your learning organizer, which, by the way, I will have all of those graded, the annotated bibliographies and the learning organizers. I will have them graded by Monday. So stay tuned. It could be in the afternoon Monday, but I will have them all graded by Monday. I'm going to start grading them by the people that are presenting in week number 12. So they'll have theirs sooner than the other folks. So beyond that, let me just walk you through the week. I had to put in just a picture of Popham Beach. It's not like that today, but it was last week. So the week starts on Monday, April 3rd. To get us going, you're watching the video. Week 11 devoted to the preparation of the exploration projects. No more work, no work beyond that. So take a deep breath. I hope you do take the opportunity to put your materials together. If you do that, then it just gives you some more time to write your learning autobiography at the end. So let's get to the schedule. Here's the final schedule. In week number 12, which starts on, a week from Monday, which is April 10th, we have, these folks are presenting together. We have Christina, then Michelle. These folks, have their own. But if you have taken a look at the assignment and the description on that, I do say that people can work together. It's just, I expect a little more materials, and it be a little more robust than if somebody was working alone. So in week number 12, we have 3 exploration projects. These 2 people are working as a team. Week 13, we have 4, and week 14, we have 3. So as I say in here, the annotated bib and the learning organizer will be graded by Monday afternoon, probably at the latest, and that will give you an idea for, if I think you should have less materials, more materials, or I'll provide some input on that and also provide the grade and input on your annotated bibliography. Now, the annotated bib, you also put in your exploration projects for people to take a look at. So that's it as far as the exploration project. A couple of things I wanted to mention. There will be an optional Zoom meeting on Monday at 6:30. I have one coming up at 7:15 with another class, but I think this will give us plenty of time. What I'd like to do is talk about the exploration projects, the materials, the expectations, the loading of materials, and just allow for some time and for some questions on this assignment. And if we have time, I'd like to talk about the kind of remainder of the course and also the learning autobiography, which is the final assignment. So here is the link. And I just wanted to show you a couple more things that are on the website. This is what your shell will look like. And I'll go through this a little bit more if you can make the Zoom meeting on Monday. If you can't, by the way, I will record it and I'll post it the next day, so you won't be missing anything. Here's an example. You will have a discussion forum set up for you. This is one I said for week sample shell for you. Here's the student's question. I take that, I put that information in, and then if you come in here, click on that, you'll see there is really nothing there. And I will explain to everybody how do you load your materials. But in the meantime, let me go back. Come down to the bottom. So here's what your shell is going to look like, and then once again I'll show you how you actually create the materials. But down here is a video on how do you load materials, and let me click on that for a second. Hello everybody. This video will provide a very brief overview of how to load your materials for your exploration project. So that is, I encourage you to take a look at it. It's really not a very complicated procedure, and I can spend a little bit of time on that as we move forward, especially in the Zoom meeting. So, but all of the nuts and bolts are in that video about how do you do it. It's really not much different than when you're doing your weekly post. You go in there, you hit a button and you start typing. The only thing that's different with this is I'll show you how to insert files into the discussion forum. So please take a look at the video, and in the meantime, if you have any questions, just let me know. I will have your graded learning organizer and annotated bibs coming back to you by Monday. And if you can make the Zoom meeting Monday night, Monday evening at 6:30 Eastern time, that would be fabulous. So hope you have a great day. Let me know if you need any help or you have any questions. Bye, everybody.